Hello everyone, welcome to Plabita's tutorials. Friends, this is another video where I have collected some words from 3 important newspapers and I hope that you will enjoy my video. I think you are ready with your diary and pen. Yes, so what's to wait then? Let's start our video. But before that, yes, what is the duty to do? Yes, you have to hit the like button, share my channel with your friends and families, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start. So here are few sentences which I have collected from the 3 important newspapers, that is the Assam Tribune, the Hindu and the Chronicle. Here it goes. The first sentence is from the Assam Tribune and the sentence is like this. Delhi look to continue against RR. Please listen carefully. Delhi look to continue momentum against RR. So in this sentence, the word momentum is a little bit tough. So I want to tell you the meaning of this word so that you can understand the sentence completely. Okay? Please note it down. Let's find the meaning of the word momentum. Momentum is a noun word which comes from the root word moment, and its meaning is the force that keeps an object moving or keeps an event developing after it has started. Understood? Its meaning is like this: the force that keeps an object moving or keeps an event developing after it has started. That means there is some force which keeps something moving. An object moves only because of that force, or an event or any situation which keeps on moving, it doesn't stop. This is the meaning of the word momentum, and its synonyms are energy, propulsion. That means you get some force, you get some energy to do something, to move something, to move it. An object needs some force to move. Okay, that is the meaning of the word momentum. So its synonyms are energy and propulsion. Its antonym is inertia and immobility. Okay, so here a sentence was given: Delhi look to continue momentum against RR. That means, so according to the sentence, Delhi look to continue momentum against RR. That means Delhi will not stop, but they will continue certain kind of charges or any kind of action against this person RR. Okay, this is the meaning of the sentence. Another example I have given here is: the patient gained momentum after the cardiologist properly treated her. That means she gained her energy after her treatment. So this is the meaning of the word momentum. I hope you have understood it, and I want that you learn it properly. Okay, and if you want to give any other examples, you are always welcome, and you can answer me in the comment box. Okay, this is the first word which I have discussed here today. The second sentence is like this: expropriation in the name of conservation. I repeat, expropriation in the name of conservation. And this sentence is collected from the newspaper The Hindu. Okay, and here the important word is expropriation. So let us know the meaning of this word. You please note it down, these words, because these words will help you in many kind of examinations, and also you can help your junior ones, your relatives, by knowing the meaning of this word. Okay, you can make a diary of these kind of words and you can learn it by heart, and also you can help others also by telling the meaning. Okay, so the meaning of the word expropriation is like this: expropriation is a noun which comes from the root word expropriate. Its meaning is an act of taking any property by authority from its owner for public use or benefit. I repeat, its meaning is act of taking any property by authority from its owner for public use or benefit. That means there is some property, or there is a private property, and that property is all owned by a state or an authority for their public use. That is known as expropriation, and its synonyms are assumption, confiscation, and its antonyms are distribute and give. So in this sentence, expropriation in the name of conservation, it explains like this, that some kind of expropriation is done. That means some property or something has been seized by someone, or and they are using it in the name of conservation publicly. That is known as expropriation. You can also understand it by following another example. A plot of land was taken for expropriation. So that means a land was taken by some authority for expropriation. That means for public use. This is the meaning of the word expropriation. I hope you have understood it. And if not, also you may ask me in the comment box. Then the third sentence which I have collected from the newspaper, The Chronicle. The sentence is like this: woman kidnaps baby to hoodwink husband. I repeat, woman kidnaps baby to hoodwink husband. So in this sentence, the word hoodwink seems a little bit tough. So let's discuss its meaning. Yes, so hoodwink is a verb and its meaning is to deceive or trick. That means you're cheating someone, or you're using some tricks to fool someone. That is known as hoodwink. This is a very uncommon word and it is also very important. You must know it. Okay, so its meaning is like this, that you are deceiving someone, you are tricking someone, you are cheating someone. This is known as the meaning of the word hoodwink. And in this sentence, a woman kidnaps a baby to hoodwink her husband. That means to cheat her husband, she kidnaps the baby. Okay, have you understood it? Its synonyms are cheat, bluff, and its antonyms are undeceive. Okay, and I have given another example. She did not give any chance to hoodwink her. That means she did not give any chance to cheat her. She herself protected from any kind of cheat. Okay, this is the meaning of the word hoodwink. So for today, these are the 3 words which I have collected from 3 different newspapers, and I hope you have enjoyed it and also learned it and also noted it down for your future purposes. Thank you.